Hi, I'm John Harper, Development Executive with Coulter Urban, and we're going to give a brief update of the construction progress at Bayso. We're currently in some of the amenity areas on level 1, and the construction teams are in the process of building out the interiors. Here's a unit on one of the lower levels. The construction teams have installed the flooring, cabinets, countertops, plumbing fixtures, and kitchen appliances. As you might expect, the lower level residences are the first units that get completed as the teams move up the building. The teams are making great progress, and the amenity areas are on schedule to be completed in the third quarter. Let's take a look at the progress in some of the residences. We're real excited about getting closer to the finish line. Thanks for joining us, and be on the lookout for our next update in the coming months.